Can Tony sniff for drugs now?
Tony?
Some coincidence, huh?
Deck's been hosed, but there's blood residue. Give me some swabs, DeNozo. I'll start the cabin. Bet he's a real stud.
He's neutered.
What kind of engine's in this thing?
Drug runner special, blown 502, putting out 800 horses.
Main cabin's a mess. Blood stains, bullet holes, found some bloody bandages on the bunks. One of them's hurting.
Can I search for drugs?
We're just getting started. What you can do is check with the marina office, see if they paid a mooring fee. Strike out at that and start canvassing the marina and find out someone.
Gibbs, I'm a federal agent. I know who and what to ask.
Keep forgetting you're not a dog walker.
Oh, that's very funny. Come on, Tony.
Whoa. They should have hosed down in here.
They did just enough to avoid attracting attention of someone walking by.
We're gonna be bagging and tagging for hours. If I only had the time.
What?
You got the time? My watch is...
You going somewhere, DeNozo?
Yeah. Back to work.